सो टुडे वी आर मेकिंग अ वीडियो जिसमें हम लोग कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चन है जो सबके डाउट होते हैं और उनको हम आंसर करेंगे। बहुत ही सिंपल येस और नो के क्वेश्चन है या कुछ वैल्यूज़ होंगी जो मैं बताऊंगा। ये आई थिंक 100% ऑफ द पीपल जो फैट लॉस प्रोसेस, लीन गेन, कुछ भी रिलेटेड फिटनेस है, उनके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन हमेशा आते हैं एंड दे ऑलवेज लुक फॉर आंसर्स। सो दीज आर 20-25 क्वेश्चन जिनके आंसर मैं करूँगा एंड टुडे इज़ विद माई वाइफ। वो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे और मैं आंसर करता चला जाऊँगा। चलो नेबू, लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Okay. So very common first question is how much weight lost per week is good in fat loss process?
It's 0.5 to 1% of the total body weight. So it's an excellent number to go about.
Okay. So this is how it should be calculated. And how much waist size should or can decrease while you're losing 1 kg body weight in fat loss phase?
So 0.75 to 1 centimeter approximately इतना आपका वेस्ट साइज भी घटेगा पर केजी बॉडी वेट ड्रॉप होने पे।
And on the other hand, how much body weight increase per week is good when you are in lean gain phase?
0.25 to 0.5% on a weekly basis is a good number to go about of the total body weight.
And the ideal body fat percentage to keep when you are maximizing your lean gains?
जब लीन गेन कर रहे हैं तो 8 से 12% के बीच में ही हमेशा बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज रखिए, वो आइडियल रहता है सिनेरियो।
And calorie surplus value is more than enough in lean gains?
200 to 300 कैलोरी से ज़्यादा आपको नहीं जाना चाहिए, उसके ऊपर ही मेंटेनेंस से इतने ही ऊपर रहना चाहिए, दैट्स इट।
Okay. Next question is what actually are components in muscle tissue that give it size that we talk about?
So muscle tissue जो होता है वो सिर्फ lean muscles नहीं होते basically. It's a combination of glycogen, water and muscle tissue plus a little bit of fat. So these are the four components.
And what is the maximum achievable FFMI index naturally?
26. उससे ऊपर आज तक reported नहीं है. So 26.
Do you get fat by eating carbs like wheat or rice in dinner?
No. Until unless you are not going above maintenance calories.
So it is all about count of calories and has nothing to do with the time you are eating carbs. If you are eating in surplus of maintenance calories, what should be preferred as source of those calories, carbs or fat?
I would go for carbs.
Reason being?
कार्ब्स आपके डायरेक्टली यूटिलाइज हो जाते हैं एनर्जी सोर्स पे। कभी भी आप खाना खाएंगे और जो कार्ब्स उसका कंटेंट होगा, बॉडी उसको प्रेफर्ड नेचुरल सोर्स उसको वही प्रेफर करती है बिकॉज इजी सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी होता है। सो कार्ब्स ऑलवेज।
So if it's a cheat day, better go for carbs.
Carbs, less of fat, more of carbs.
Does any kind of water or recipe or tonic or anything works for fat loss?
No.
So these are all myths.
Yes.
Have green tea and lose weight.
Yes.
Now we want to know on anabolic hormones. So can you name some?
So testosterone, IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1, growth hormones, estrogen in female, progesterone in female, and insulin. These are all anabolic hormones for you.
And what are catabolic hormones?
Your cortisol and adrenaline. These are released by adrenaline gland. So these are your catabolic hormones.
Okay, so now we have been talking about losing fat. All the time we talk about losing fat. So are fats good or bad for your body?
Fats are not bad for your body. They're actually good actually. They provide insulation and they are the biggest source of energy storage. So they cannot be bad for your body, but if certain percentage is overpowered, for example, you are having more than 20% fat, so it's not good for your body. So fat are not bad if they are in limit.
Okay. And the BMI value.